Mixed veg paratha is our today's healthy and tasty breakfast recipe in the joy of cooking. Hi friends, I'm Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar and today I'll be showing you all a very healthy and deliciously yummy breakfast recipe of mixed veg paratha. Let's begin. First, we'll take a look at the ingredients. We require wheat flour, oil, water, paneer cut into small cubes, red capsicum, yellow capsicum and green capsicum de-seeded and finely chopped, peeled and finely chopped carrots, boiled and crushed sweet corn, spring onion greens finely chopped, coriander leaves finely chopped, red chili powder, ground cumin and coriander, chopped spinach, salt, turmeric, butter, black pepper powder, garlic and pav bhaji masala. First we'll make the stuffing. For that, in a pan I will take oil, 2.5 teaspoon. To this I will add crushed garlic, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon, and mix it well. Saute on high flame for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the rawness is gone. To this I will add finely chopped carrots, 1/4 cup or 1 medium sized carrot. Cook for about 2 minutes on high flame. To this I will add chopped spinach leaves. Again 1/4 cup or 4 to 5 spinach leaves. Mix it well. And then add spring onion greens, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of red capsicum, finely chopped green capsicum, again 1 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon of yellow capsicum, finely chopped, very necessary, and mix everything well. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. You may adjust the flame so that the vegetables do not burn. Then add turmeric powder to this, 1 teaspoon, and salt as per taste. We require very little salt over here, but taste it and add accordingly. And combine everything well. Then add boiled and crushed sweet corn, 1/4 to half cup, and mix everything well on high flame again. To this I will add paneer cubes, finely chopped, half cup, and mix it well. Let it combine nicely. I'll lower the flame now and then add red chili powder to this. 1 teaspoon or as per taste. Ground cumin and coriander 1 teaspoon. Pav bhaji masala 2 teaspoon. Black pepper powder half teaspoon. And mix everything well. Let the spices cook for about 2 minutes on low flame. And it's done. Let it cool down at room temperature. Till then, in a mixing bowl, I'll take wheat flour 1 cup. And then add salt as per taste and turmeric 1/4 teaspoon. Add ground cumin and coriander half teaspoon. Pav bhaji masala 1 teaspoon. Black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 to 1.5 teaspoon. As per like, and then add oil to it 1.5 teaspoon. We'll knead the dough by adding water to this. We want a soft and firm dough, just like the one for chapati. Add water as required. So that the dough will come together. Perfect. Knead it for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then divide it into 2 equal parts. Now our stuffing is at the room temperature. To this, I will add coriander leaves. Chopped coriander leaves. And mix everything well. About 2 teaspoons. Now on a plain surface, I'll dust some wheat flour and roll out the paratha. You want to roll it a little thick. So dust some flour so that the dough does not stick. And roll it out. Once done, keep it aside. We'll roll out another paratha the same way. Make sure both are same in size and shape. Perfect. Now we'll take the stuffing and put it onto our rolled out paratha or chapati. Spread it evenly. So you want one thin layer of the stuffing. And then I'm going to apply water to the sides of the paratha. We're going to seal it So we'll take the rolled out roti over here and then seal it properly. Make sure the edges are sealed properly. And then we are going to seal it with the help of the fork. Perfect. Now we are going to roast it on hot tawa or pan. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium high flame on one side. Tap it with the help of the spatula and then flip it after 2 minutes on medium flame. Now I'll take the butter and apply it over the paratha. Now you may use oil or even ghee or clarified butter. But here I am using salted butter and spread it evenly onto the paratha. Now we'll flip this paratha after 2 minutes and again we are going to apply butter. Spread it evenly. Tap the paratha with the help of the spatula so that it cooks evenly and you get nice golden brown marks, and flip it once it's nice golden brown in color. So about 2 to 3 minutes on high flame, medium to high flame. And once it's done, remove it. Make sure it's cooked evenly from all the sides. 3 to 4 minutes on each side. And this is how our healthy and tasty breakfast recipe of mixed veg paratha is ready. So please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking, hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.